Check out how French fries are made in restaurants. We got some new frozen fries at FoodsUp's warehouse. Lamb Weston, one of world's leading frozen fries producers, especially popular among restaurants. We contacted one of our partners, a famous chain restaurant. Let the chef shows us how Lamb Weston fries look like. 3/8-inch colossal crispy fries. Thicker cut with toasty batter, crispiness overload. Perfectly golden, you can smell the aroma from a mile away. 5/16-inch stealth fries. Lighter coatings, thinner cutting. Invisible coating, takes even lesser time to fry. Sweet potato fries. You can tell the taste from a glance at it. Smells so good with the seasonings. Potato wedges. Perfect mixture of crunchy and fluffy. Add another layer of texture for your taste buds. Curious about how FoodsUp selected these products? Stay tuned to our next episode for more behind-the-scenes stuff.